a hospitable paisa preparing for his trip to Europe. Nicole and Carlos Daniel, his children, who are with him this afternoon. Stella and Camilla, French tourists exploring Antioquia. Cesar, hello. Excuse me for interrupting. I heard your accent and couldn't resist approaching you. I'm Cesar, and these are my children. Nicole and Carlos Daniel. Stella, smiling, hello. Nice to meet you. I'm Stella, and this is my friend Camilla. Do you speak French? Cesar, no way. That's something I've always wanted to learn. Many years ago, I was in Paris, and I felt a bit frustrated because I only speak Spanish and English. It was difficult to get around and ask for basic things. But anyway, now I'm here to be your local guide. What are you looking to see in Medellin? Camilla, how kind. We want to see the best of Medellin, but it's huge. How do you recommend we get around and where to go? Cesar, well, first of all, there's the metro. It's our pride and joy. They have Line A, which runs north to south. You can get off at the Universidad station to see the Botanical Garden and explore a park, or at the Alpujarra station to walk around downtown. They also have the Ayacucho tram, Line T, which is beautiful and takes you all around the eastern part of the city. Nicole, and don't forget the shopping malls. If you want to do some luxury shopping and have an incredible view, you should go to El Tesoro in El Poblado. It's almost like a theme park. Cesar, exactly. There's also Santa Fe, Oviedo, and further south, Viva Envigado. For a walk in the fresh air, you have to go to Parques del Rio. It's a modern architectural design where the river blends seamlessly with the city. It's perfect for sunset. Stella, and what about getting around at night? Is the bus safe? Cesar, at night, I recommend using apps. Uber, Didi, and InDrive work really well here. They're safe and give you the price up front. The green, integrated buses are good for going up the hills, but the apps are more convenient for you. Camilla, amazing. Thank you so much, Cesar. And tell us, do you have plans to go back to France? Cesar, yes. I'm going in April with my friend Ash. This time I want it to be different. What do you recommend for a trip with friends? Stella, April is the month of spring. If you go with Ash, don't just stay in Paris. Go to Mont Saint-Michel in Normandy. It's an abbey on an island that looks like something out of a movie. Camilla, and for something more active, you have to go to Annecy. They call it the Venice of the Alps. You can rent bikes and explore the cleanest lake in Europe. It's breathtaking to see the snow-capped mountains in the background. Stella, also, if you like wine and history, head down to Bordeaux. The city has been completely renovated and has La Cité du Vin, an ultra-modern wine museum. From there, you can go to the dunes of Pilote, the tallest in Europe. Cesar, I'm taking note of everything. Normandy, Annecy, and Bordeaux. Ash and I are going to have a great time. I hope my Franglish works this time. Camilla, laughing, as long as you say, s'il vous plaît, please, and merci, thank you, the rest will flow. Enjoy your trip with Ash. Cesar, likewise. Enjoy Medellin, walk through Parques del Rio. And don't miss the chicharrón at El Tesoro. Have a great trip.
At Oahu Bienes, we provide expert consulting services across various sectors to meet your needs. Explore our real estate offerings and connect with opportunities in Hawaii and Colombia. Contact us at cusainteresting@gmail.com for personalized assistance in all our services.
Hola. Buenos días. Queremos decirles que sisoyoac.com ofrece numerosos servicios como consultoría tecnológica y varios otros tipos de asesorías como en la venta de propiedad raíz en Hawái y en Colombia. También asesoramos acerca de nutrición, política, salud, viajes y visas, etc. Promovemos artistas y otros tipos de talentos. Los invitamos a visitar nuestras páginas en cesarusa.com, cesarinternacional.com, modelopaisa.com y ver nuestros videos en YouTube en Cusa y Cusa Interesting. Algunas de nuestras páginas en Instagram son modelaje USA y Cusain-modeling. Muchas gracias por su atención.